Cow! Hi guys! Hi muna. Hi guys. Saan tayo pupunta? Cow. Okay, let's go sa cow. Ano yung cow? Sa baba?
Wala atang cow?
Saan? Ay doon, sa baba. Sa baba daw yung cow guys. Anong gagawin natin sa cow? Papainumin natin? Kilikili. Oh, natin.
May bird.
Papainom kami ng cow. Yan. Cow mo yung cow sa
O, dali naman dito yung cow. Ayun, yung cow.
Ayan. Ay, cow dito siya mag-drink ng water. Ay, galing.
No, it's not milk.
Not milk. Water. Very good. What is that? Water. Very good. Wait lang, antayin natin. Pinakuha pa ni Daki yung... Ano yun? What is the sound of cow? Ay, galing. Cow? What is the sound of cow? Is it oh oh?
No.
Is it tweet tweet?
No.
Is it moo? Ay, galing.
Cow.
Kaya na cow. Anong color ng cow? What's color ng cow?
Red.
White.
Cow.
White. Wait lang, kinukuha pa eh. Say mo cow, please. Go, please.
Daddy.
Cow? Mami? Sige. Wait lang. Nakuha pa yung cow.
Wala yung baby cow.
Tayo sa kanila. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Ayun na. Oh, hi
Ayun yung cow.
cow. Sakay ka saka? Hindi ka takot saka? Okay. Mag-drink siya. Nang? Oh, sumubra si cow. Ayun. Anong ginagawa ni cow? Nag-drink? Nag-drink siya.
Say hi.
Baby.
Bibi ka? Mami ba yan o bibi? Mami?
No, Daddy.
Ay, daddy ka. Daddy ba yan?
Baka maswagin kayo. Kain ng damo.
Ito na, babay na siya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cow. Flying kiss yung si cow. Flying kiss. Paano yung flying kiss? Oh, bye-bye na. Bye, guys.
Bye, cow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay na, let's go.